Well, hello everybody, welcome back. It's time for another funky format deal. We've got a paper double dip deal going on right now. You can do any day of the week, and if you do it on Saturday, well, we all know you'll save that extra $5. Like and share the video on your way in, please, and thank you. It's so important that we share. YouTube is asking for 1,000 views per video, and well, if we share it in our Facebook news feed, we just might make it there. So if you do that for me, please, with a note that simply says, pass it on. I truly appreciate and love you bunches for it. And of course, leave me a comment. Let me know what kind of things you're looking to get this week, with what kind of scenarios. If you've got one, put it in the comments. It might suit somebody's needs more than what I've got going on. It might even help me out. So, put it in the comments. And, of course, allow the video to play all the way to the end, please. That's super important as well, because YouTube watches the runtime, and that's how they keep us out there for other people to watch. They figure if you watch it all the way to the end, somebody else would be interested. So, please, let it play, even if you have to walk away. Thank you, everybody, for tuning back in. And, well, what deals are we talking about now? Well, we're talking about some of my favorite deals. Yep, brawny paper towels. This is top-notch paper towels, guys, and we're going to get them super cheap. We got double dips going on. This in itself is almost a 5 off 25 scenario, but you have a coupon that says that if you spend $25 on these certain brands of items, that you're going to get an additional $5 off. Okay, so you could do this on Saturday and get an additional $5 off by spending $30 instead of $25. Always know, if you're using the DD Store coupon or instant savings, you've got to go over the threshold mark, which is $25. Now, on this deal, we have got a save 2 on one of the brownies, because we're going to pick up 2, and you got an earn of $2. So, a total of $4 and then 5, so a total of $9 pretty much on this $24. But your $24, you got to be at $25. Yep. Now, you can do this a couple of different ways. If you want to just go, you're barely $25. Let's see. No, it's $22. Excuse me. $22. So the paper plates would not make it to what you need to be. And the only other thing that we have some coupons for is the toilet paper. So let's have a look at our list. We've got the Brawny, 2 of them, and the Angel Soft toilet paper. We've got the $1 off on the toilet paper. The toilet paper is regularly $6.35. Now, any day of the week, we're at $28.35. You're getting $8 off. Actually, you're going to get $10 off because you've got that $2 earn that's coming back. So, you'll be walking out of the store spending $20.35. And once you get your earn back, it's going to be $18.35 for 2 of those Brawny paper towels and the Angel Soft toilet paper. But if you do this on Saturday, we have to add something for at least $2 more. Now, you could make it one of the products that actually goes with this other coupon, or we can do another product. Now, like I said, you need $2. You can go to the dollar aisle and pick up $2 items if you want to do that. In some cases, it may be something that you need: trash bags, paper plates, whatever. And other cases, well, you could do this as another earn product. You've got Breathe Right extra strength strips. They're $3.75. You've got $2.50 earns. So if you picked up the Breathe Right, you would be getting back $4.50 in earns on this deal, plus the $5 off. So on Saturday, let's see what your bottom line math would be. Looks like the final out of pocket for this would be $14.60 for the Breathe Right strips, 2 Brawny paper towels, the $11 ones, and a Angel soft toilet paper. And that's a winner chicken dinner deal. Now we also have sparkle on this deal. Okay, if you do the sparkle and the Brawny any day of the week, your out of pocket before taxes is $29.50 before taxes. And if you do this on Saturday, you're going to get that additional $5 off, and then you get that other $2 earn. So during the week, you're at $27.50 final out of pocket for this deal. If you do this deal on Saturday, you are at $22.50 final out of pocket for 2 of your sparkle paper towels and 2 of your Brawny paper towels. And they will be a total savings of 10, 12, 13, 14, about $16, guys. So, not bad. So there you go. There's some paper deal double dips that are not Scott, because everybody goes, oh, Scott's cheap. Well, Scott may be cheap, but the paper towels still work. So, you know. And we still do have that $3 instant savings when you spend $15 on Scott products. So, you have choices. I love you bunches, and I'll talk to you again real soon with more deals, steals, glitches. Well, used to be free stuff, and on occasion now we still do have. But I'll see you next video. Blessings.